Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms, Shopify and Wix after conducting extensive research and testing both platforms. Ultimately choose Shopify for my e-commerce business. In this video, I will share the reason behind my decision and the key factor you should consider when making your choice. Please note, this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experience. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I have including a link in the description offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies in their origin. Shopify was designed specially for e-commerce, where Wix started as a content-based website builder and later added e-commerce feature. Shopify is an excellent option for beginners or those looking to scale thanks to its extensive range of over 6,000 app integration that work seamlessly with more than 100 themes of templates. Designing your store is straightforward with Shopify intuitive drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plan including 24 by 7 customer support, making the setup process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offer plus across for categories website business, e-commerce and enterprises. If you are looking an online store, you will need to choose from the business and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow up to 50,000 protect more than 65 for most businesses but lacks unlimited product option. Wix provide our 800 templates, a drag and drop editor and a customer domain name for free for 1 year. However, editing Wix templates can make website less optimized for smartphone, meaning you will need a separate mobile device and create redirect link for moved page, making it more SEO friendly. Shopify also supports Yoast SEO integration for advanced insight, while Wix offer SEO tools like SEO Viz and SEO dashboard and integration with SEMrush for keyword research. When it's come to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify offers Shopify payment and Wix offer Wix payment. Using these built-in gateway avoid transaction fees, but third-party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 5% fee depending on your plan. Wix allow free third-party payment but only in USD and less multi-currencies checkout option where various Shopify sports and multi-currency checkout via its Shopify Market app. Tax calculation is another critical aspect. Shopify automatically calculation taxes for user across all plans, while Wix offer automatic tax calculation through a third-party app called Avelia. This feature is limited in certain plan with caps on the number of calculation per month. Shopify also offer a physical point of scale POS system of all plans. Expect the starter plan enabling real time inventory updated through card reader connected to mobile device. Wix OS feature introduced recently is only available to select user in the US and Canada. Pricing is another key consideration. Wix offer a free plan, but its functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan but offer a 3-day free trial and a discounted introductory packages for $3 for 90 days. Once the trial ends, Shopify main plan including for basic plan at $90 per month, the standard plan at $49 per month and the advanced plan at $299 per month. You can switch between plan as your business grows and receive a 25% discount for annual payment.